Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a high-quality, beginner-friendly DIY 3D printer designed for hobbyists and professionals alike. Made by Prusa Research, this kit is known for its reliable performance, precision, and user-focused features. It comes unassembled, offering users a fun and educational building experience that helps them understand every component of the printer. Key highlights include automatic calibration, which simplifies setup and ensures accurate printing without manual adjustments. The 4 Malawian Kwachas uses a next-generation 32-bit electronics board and advanced firmware for faster, quieter, and more reliable printing. It also features load cell-based first-layer calibration for excellent print bed leveling accuracy, improving print quality from the start. The kit includes removable print sheets, making it easy to remove finished prints without damage. It supports a generous build volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, 250 by 210 by 220 millimeters, suitable for a wide range of models and parts. A sample filament is also included to help users get started right away. The 4 Malawian Kwachas is compatible with various materials including PLA, PTG, ABS, and flexible filaments, offering great versatility. It supports remote printing and monitoring through Prusa Connect and has open-source software and hardware, making it ideal for modding and customization. In summary, the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas kit is a top-tier DIY 3D printer that combines ease of use, smart features, and precision. It's perfect for both beginners eager to learn and advanced users looking for dependable, high-quality results. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a versatile and efficient DIY 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users who want reliable, high-speed printing. It boasts an impressive printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, allowing faster completion of projects compared to many other printers in its class. A key feature of the Ender-3 V3 SE is its CR Touch auto leveling system, which ensures precise bed leveling with minimal user intervention. This feature greatly improves print quality and consistency by automatically detecting and adjusting for any unevenness in the print bed. The printer also features the Sprite Direct Extruder, which offers improved filament control, better extrusion accuracy, and supports a wide variety of filament types, including flexible materials. The autoload filament function adds convenience, simplifying the process of filament insertion and removal, making it especially user-friendly for beginners. Structurally, the printer is designed with dual Z-axis and a Y-axis for enhanced stability and precision during printing, reducing vibrations and improving layer alignment. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, the Ender-3 V3 SE offers ample space for printing a variety of medium-sized models and functional parts. Its sturdy frame and well-thought-out design ensure durability and reliable performance over time. Overall, the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a feature-packed, fast, and easy-to-use 3D printer that strikes a great balance between speed, precision, and user convenience, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and makers looking to produce quality prints efficiently. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a cutting-edge, high-speed 3D printer designed for users who demand both speed and precision. One of its standout features is its impressive printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, which is significantly faster than many standard 3D printers, enabling rapid production without compromising print quality. Equipped with an all-metal hot end, The AnkerMake M5C supports printing at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing it to handle a wide range of advanced filaments such as ABS, PTG, TPU, and other high-temperature materials. This flexibility is ideal for users who want to experiment with diverse materials for various applications. The printer includes a 7x7 grid auto-leveling system, which ensures highly accurate bed leveling and first-layer adhesion by scanning multiple points across the print bed. This feature reduces manual calibration effort and improves print consistency. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the AnkerMake M5C offers a solid workspace for medium-sized projects, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. The printer supports multi-device control, meaning users can operate and monitor print jobs seamlessly from various devices such as smartphones, tablets, or computers via an intuitive app interface. The sleek design, combined with intelligent features like intuitive controls and robust construction, makes the AnkerMake M5C a user-friendly yet powerful printer. Overall, it is an excellent choice for those seeking fast, versatile, and reliable 3D printing with professional-grade capabilities. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact, user-friendly 3D printer designed for high-speed, precise printing with multicolor capabilities. It's ideal for users who want an efficient, hassle-free setup and advanced printing features in a small footprint. One of its key advantages is the quick setup time of about 20 minutes, making it highly accessible for beginners and those who want to start printing quickly without complicated assembly. The printer supports multicolor 3D printing, expanding creative possibilities by allowing users to print objects with different colors in a single session. The A1 Mini emphasizes high speed and precision, ensuring detailed and accurate prints while reducing print time. It features full auto calibration that simplifies the leveling and first layer setup process, improving print reliability and quality. Additionally, it includes active flow rate compensation, a smart feature that continuously adjusts extrusion rates to maintain consistent filament flow, preventing common print defects such as blobs or gaps. Another highlight is its quiet operation, running at less than or equal to 48 dB, which means it produces minimal noise, ideal for home or office environments. This makes the printer unobtrusive during long print jobs. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini combines ease of use, quiet performance, and advanced multicolor printing capabilities in a compact design. It's perfect for hobbyists, students, or professionals looking for a fast, precise, and reliable 3D printer with smart automatic features and vibrant printing options. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit, MP07825EU, is a reliable and user-friendly 3D printer designed for home, educational, and professional use. It is built to deliver fast, high-quality prints using PLA material, which is popular for its ease of use and environmentally friendly properties. One of the standout features of the Replicator Plus is its swappable Smart Extruder Plus, allowing users to quickly replace or upgrade the extruder without hassle. This modularity reduces downtime and ensures consistent, reliable extrusion, which is essential for smooth, accurate prints. The printer comes with a factory-level flex build plate, which simplifies print bed adhesion and removal. The flexible build plate makes it easier to pop off completed prints without damaging them, streamlining the post-printing process. With a generous print volume of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, 295 by 193 by 165 millimeters, the Replicator Plus accommodates a variety of project sizes, from small prototypes to medium-sized functional parts. The machine offers stable and precise printing, making it suitable for detailed models, educational projects, and creative prototyping. Designed with ease of use in mind, this 3D printer includes intuitive software integration and connectivity options, enabling smooth workflow for beginners and advanced users alike. Its quiet operation and sturdy construction make it a practical choice for classrooms, studios, and home workshops. In summary, the MakerBot Replicator Plus offers dependable PLA printing, convenient swappable extruder technology, and a user-friendly experience, making it an excellent desktop 3D printer for educational and creative applications.